Guys, Brianna and I just finished up Devil's Bridge hike out here in Sedona, and if you're planning on coming out here, we just wanted to give you a couple pointers before you do the hike. It's pretty hard. It takes about 3 hours, just short of that maybe. A total of like 6 miles. Pretty hot, so wear hats. We brought two 32-ounce hydro flasks, one with ice, one with water. Finished both of those. Drank 2 full water bottles and gave one away because it's pretty hot out here and it's July. So
we just passed someone.
Yeah, we just passed
that
someone
needed help.
That needed help. I recommend ankle-high boots if you have some, but people out here had QCs and Hokas work too. But it's pretty rocky, so you have a chance of spraining an ankle, which could be bad for the hike. So if you're planning on doing this, you know, take the right measures to pack before it, and take fruit or something that doesn't melt in your pack because it's hot. But the ending is worth it, so I say go for it and start early when you're here.
Early.
But have fun. Thanks.